Welcome back to the channel, and there's a few maintenance items I need to do on my mountain bike before I can ride for the new season. Now there's a few things I usually don't do on my mountain bikes. One is truing the wheels, two is the shock and fork maintenance, and three is tubeless tires. But this year I'm going to try to do tubeless myself. Being a tubeless noob, I wanted to do a lot of research on rim tapes and tire sealants and even a proper way to inflate the tires. So based on my research and reviews online, there's some of the products I looked at, and these are non-sponsored by anyone. I bought these with my own money. So the first one I decided to go with is Muck Off, the tubeless rim tape. This particular one is 21 millimeters wide, which was recommended to me by my bike shop based on my wheels that I have. The sealant is Orange Seal Endurance. Hopefully this will last a good while and I don't have to change it as often as some of the other products. And for my safety, I've seen a lot of videos using 2-liter bottles and with valves and hoses connected to the tires. I wanted to do this safely without any risk of rupture or anything, or loss of fingers. So the product I looked up was called the Air Shot. It's basically a small air tank, and we're going to be using this to inflate the tires. As you can see, I've done some work to the rim already off camera. You do see some shiny spots on the spoke holes. When I took off the old rim tape, the manufacturer had left some burrs on each of these holes. So what I did is went down and rubbed it down with a little sandpaper to eliminate those burrs. And right here is opposite the valve hole, because that's where they join the rim together. I'm going to start here and work my way around. If you're using a different rim tape, please refer to YouTube or owner's manual for application of your tape. Some spots I did really good, like right here, got the tape burnished down. And then run into spots like this. You can kind of tell if you have it done right, because the tape will be kind of transparent. You can see through the rim. But if you don't do well, it looks like it's straight purple, like right here. So I'm going to see if this will hold. Hopefully it will, and I won't have to redo it. But let's give it a try. It's one of those things I guess you have to get used to. And here's my end right here. This is the overlap area. So yeah, we'll see if this holds air, and we'll go from there. I have my valve stem hole poked, and we're going to put our stem through. And I need the little O-ring. And these are the type with a removable valve core, but I'm going to be adding the sealant to the tire itself instead of through the valve stem. Here I'm removing the valve core and putting in the Air Shot included adapter, which will allow more airflow into the tire. I tried different orientations of the wheel, hoping to get the tire to seat on the bead. After multiple attempts off camera, I finally did get the beads to seat on the rim. There was a lot of frustration on my part, mainly due to lack of experience with the Air Shot. As a side note, with the air shot, make sure you relieve all the pressure from the canister. If you're going to leave it in your car in hot temperatures, it may rupture or cause damage. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the air shot. And there's another YouTuber online that shows you how to mount tubeless tires without a compressor. So thanks for watching and stay tuned.